Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
That's right. Milton is quickly catching our attention. Just formed as a tropical storm today, and it is beginning to gain strength. That last check, winds of 40 miles per hour. If you're having a hard time getting your bearings, this is the coast of Texas right here. So this is off the coast of Mexico, but it's the track of this thing that's fairly interesting. Expect it to move almost due east, which gives it a lot of time over those warm Gulf waters. And unfortunately, that looks like perhaps a major hurricane hit on the central coast of Florida. Tampa, Fort Myers, both in this cone, and will likely be feeling some impacts. And storm surge on the south side of the storm is especially concerning. So this is going to be a storm that we're going to have to watch, with landfall likely to occur on Wednesday. Meanwhile, here in West Michigan, live view over downtown Grand Rapids shows quiet weather on this Saturday night. 65 in Grand Rapids, 69 now in Kalamazoo, 70 in South Haven and Muskegon, and it's 73 in Benton Harbor. It's warm. We have the southerly flow ahead of this cold front that is getting ready to roll through tonight. It's bringing some clouds with it, chance of a few showers, but for the most part, this thing's going to pass through without much fanfare. Morning temperature should be in the upper 50s, partly cloudy skies with a shower possible. We quickly turn mostly sunny into the afternoon. It will be breezy and pleasant with a high near 70. We are tracking the potential still of a strong thunderstorm north of Big Rapids if they're able to form tonight. We're seeing some storms up toward the upper peninsula, but that hasn't materialized off of the south yet. This front's going to be passing through early tomorrow morning. We'll bring the chance for some light showers north of I-96. Again, can't entirely rule out a thunderstorm up that way, especially up toward US 10. But for the most part, I think we're going to remain fairly quiet. Notice some clouds early in the morning as this passes through, but after that, we clear it out quickly. It leaves us with sunshine for the remainder of our Sunday, with what's going to turn out to be a pretty pleasant day overall, despite the fact that we'll have a cool breeze coming out of the northwest throughout most of the day. It's out of the south for now at 5 to 15. Once that shifts, it'll start to feel a little cooler, and it will be breezy through most of the day tomorrow, with winds gusting as high as 30 to 35 miles per hour through our Sunday afternoon. Here's a look at that 8-day forecast. Has highs near 70 for tomorrow. We do cool off into the low to mid 60s through the first half of the upcoming week. We do start to slowly rebound into next weekend, back up to the 70s by Friday and Saturday. But the big takeaway from this is we're expecting a lot of sunshine throughout the upcoming week. Very unusual for this time of year. And despite the cool off, it's still going to be close to our average high, the mid 60s. And again, by next weekend, we're already back up to the mid 70s. Amanda.